Making tiny, incremental changes is often overlooked despite its potential impact. Over time, these small adjustments accumulate, leading to significant progress and transformation in our lives. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire diet overnight, start by adding one serving of vegetables to your meals each day. Our habits play a crucial role in shaping our identity, and vice versa. Understanding who you want to become can help you make better choices aligned with that identity. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, identify as I am a healthy person and act in ways that reinforce that belief. Habits follow a cycle of cue, craving, response, and reward. Understanding this loop is essential for building new habits or breaking old ones. If you want to start exercising, the cue could be your alarm going off in the morning. The craving is the desire to feel energized, the response is actually working out, and the reward is the endorphin rush you feel afterward. Making a clear plan for when and where you will complete a new habit increases the likelihood of success. These implementation intentions transform vague intentions into concrete actions. Instead of saying, I will exercise more, state, I will exercise every Monday at 6 p.m. in the gym. Pairing a new habit with an existing one creates a trigger that makes it easier to adopt the new behavior. This technique builds on the natural sequence of routines. For example, after I brush my teeth in the morning, I will meditate for 1 minute to establish a calming routine. Your physical surroundings significantly influence your behavior. By changing your environment, you can make positive habits more accessible and negative ones less appealing. For instance, place healthy snacks in visible areas and keep junk food out of sight to naturally encourage healthier eating habits. Becoming conscious of your habits is the first step toward changing them. Tools like the Habit Scorecard can help identify which habits serve you well and which do not. List out your daily habits and mark them as positive, negative, or neutral. This visual representation will help clarify which behaviors to focus on improving. Each action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. The feedback loop reinforces your identity and can either help or hinder your progress. For example, every day you choose to read instead of binge-watching shows, you're casting a vote toward becoming an avid reader, strengthening that identity. Thank you for watching. If you found this content valuable, subscribe for more insights. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the topic of motivation. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below.